Yeah. Baby girl, I give you all of me. I know you want a real G. No, it ain't hard to see that you should get down with me. I'm all that I ever be. All that you ever need. All that you ever want. The only one you ever see. I know you see it come to see. You know you need a real man. Look at him, wish you was part of my plan. I show you how the sun shines. Come and get you anytime. I'll do whatever. This doesn't matter when I wake up. I know what I'm going to do. It's me and my baby. We gonna do what she wanna do. She wanna get tomorrow. I'm about a whole strip. But if she wanna see you, we can make a little flick. But it's more than that. She make me feel special. I ain't gotta put her on and try to impress you. You started my little hook and she got me hooked. She got the recipe for love like the good cook. Yeah, if you got a real chick, just keep her, man. Just do what you gotta do to keep her happy. Just see what it is you need to do. And ladies, just tell your man what to step his game up. I'm pretty sure he'll be back. Because some of y'all chicks really ain't worth losing. I'm just letting y'all know the truth right now. Advocate, that's all I am. Keeping it so fresh, letting you know what's real. One.